Pictureka. Whoa! It's so clear. Yeah. Oh. Whoa. I'll open the rest. Oh, it's very cool. Now I have two minutes timer. Look. Wow. So cool. And what is this? I don't know. It finishes very fast. Thank you, Sia, for this gift. We understood the instructions. So I'll tell. So first player has to roll the dice. So if you get like red, you get a card. Yeah. Things you eat. Things you eat. Okay, you have to find the things which you eat. Hey, this we eat, no? Corn. Yes, corn we eat. Then
you have to take the number dice.
Yeah. Cherry.
Number dice.
So you have to take the number dice. So how much you get? No, where's the number dice? Which? Number dice. Here. This dice you have to spin, and if it says 5, find things which you eat. I already
start the timer.
Okay. I already found a corn. What did you find? You found a cherry, no? Yeah. And what else? 2 honey. It's almost done. I'm finding how much. Cake we eat. Yeah. And that's fish. I don't know. Yeah.
So what all did you?
Fast. The timer is almost. It's finished.
Oh, so you guys didn't win it.
Candy. Okay, it's only. Hey, if you take this, it was 5.
Yeah, you should have found it fast. You just had to see one board.
I couldn't tell because it was red.
Okay, so do again. Now next person play.
Put it back.
Yeah. Yeah, just start. Now you're starting.
I got this. I can also help her find. Scissors. Wait.
No, for that you don't need the number, Vani.
I found it. I found another one. Yeah, me too. I found that time another one.
So keep that card with you. The person winning 6 cards is the winner. Vani, keep that card, scissors card with you.
Scissors card.
Now Sanvi, roll the dice.
Hey, this color too. Yes, I think you have it. Oh, rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros. Start the timer.
Oh yeah. Rhinoceros. Where's rhinoceros? You can also help Vani. Just can see something. Just come here. Rhino. Can you find a rhino? Is this a rhino? No.
See the picture that you have.
No, it's not. No, it doesn't look like the same.
You can flip the tiles.
Okay, I'm gonna flip this. Hey, I found it!
Very good.
Yes! I get the card! Where's that card? Oh, yes! I get a card. You all will continue the game whole day. Bye. Bye.